Top of the morning, team. You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. We back with another one on that ass. Y'all already know. So my next joint right now is just to get out here and knock out these wheel fender liners. So old joint. I mean, my main reason is this shit is cracked. You know what I mean? I mean, it's not too bad. It's still in one piece, but I want to go with the fresh joint. You know what I mean? Keep it super fresh. And on top of doing the fender liners, I guess this would be a perfect time for me to do my quick release right here. So, you know, had it on the old Surfer. Let's get it on the new Surfer. But I already got a whole new setup. You know what I'm saying? Bought a whole new hardware, whole new everything. So let's get it poppin'. And so real quick, to take your fender liner out, I mean, it is really simple. Like, simple tools. All you need is a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver, and you can take all of the little clips, the little screws, everything out, and call that joint a wrap. While I'm also out here to snatch those off to go put on the tips over there. So everything's a pretty much swap. I'm about to go get my drill and see if I can't line this up, so actually leave the screw in here, so now when I drill in here I can kind of keep it tight how it is like that. So now I can see how far I need to stretch it, so this will actually have the same pressure to keep this closed. Let's go. Yeah, y'all already see it, team? We in here. Oh yeah, real nice. I took the main screw out. This is the main screw that's holding the fender together here, right? But this is sturdy. I like this. That's a nice tension right there. That's gonna keep this up. That's not too far where it's overstretching the band, but yo, I love it. I love it. Real simple. So putting in your quick release kit, right, team? You're gonna have to have a drill. See, I had to break out my drill. This is a 3/18 drill bit. That seemed to work the best. Of course, got my Milwaukee. I got my adapter, so you know, got my other set in here. What is that? Hex. You may be able to get away with an Allen key. You know what I mean? To tighten it down, but I like my set. I did it. Let's see. Yeah. So, right. Comes with these. Then you got the screws on the back with the washer, so you can put the washer first. Then that's a 10mm screw. Tighten it down. You're good to go. You already know, team. Yeah, looking good. Looking real good. I want to send a big shout out to my homie Chris. He's trying to get these to me to like forever. But appreciate you, bro. I know this is gonna get a car, fresh feel. So y'all already know, team. Let me slap the wheel back on here so I could give y'all that full joint. But let me knock out the driver's side and slap the wheels on here, and I give y'all that full joint. Word, team. So y'all already know. Like the new liner. Gives it a cleaner look. You know what I mean? As of right now. Got the quick release on there. Yeah, we getting it. Now just to wash this bitch up, I think my next thing is gonna be to change this rear bumper. I really like my 07, 08 bumper. So I'm gonna snatch that off the other car. And then I think I may snatch the black fuel door off of the old Surfer. And that may be a wrap. But you already know, team, it's your boy, Sir V, aka that OG. Like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button. Y'all already know what time it is. Let's go. Stay in the loop. Views VQ team. We in the building. Lock and load.